how to change match time in eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change match time in eFootball. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open eFootball app on your phone. And now here, once the game opens, you can just tap on the match which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the match section, you can simply choose the match type that you want to play. Now here for this video, I'm going to simply select the activation match. Now with that being said, now next you can simply select the home team, and from there you can simply select your particular team. So here for this video, I'm going to simply tap at random for both sides, and with that, once you're done selecting the teams, you can simply tap on next. And now here, once you're done with that, on the next page, you'll see the interface like this. Now from here, you can simply tap on next, and once you do that, on the next page, you'll be able to see something like this. So here at the bottom left side, you can see the gear icon. So simply tap on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the match settings page icon. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you'll see the option labeled as match time. So simply tap on it, and after that, a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in this section, you can change the duration of the match. Now here you can set it as low as 5 minutes or increase it up to 30 minutes depending on how long that you want to play. And here, once you have selected your preferred match time, you can just tap on done. And with that, you can go back and start the match. And that's it. That's how you can change match time in eFootball. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.